Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the color of messages on iPhone. So for instance, let me open Messages app on iPhone, and over here as you can see that this is the color of my messages on my iPhone currently, which is in a dark shade. So if you wish to change the color of your conversation from dark to light or light to dark following default methods on your iPhone, what you can do is just go back to your home screen. Okay, here we go. Then open Settings app on your iPhone. Now, from here, tap on the option of Display and Brightness from your settings. From here, you can see that the appearance in my case is chosen for dark. Let me tap on the light option and you can see that the entire display and brightness of my iPhone has been changed. Now, if I open Messages app, over here, you can see that the color of my messages have also been changed. So this is the default way through which you can change the color of your messages on your iPhone. However, there are other certain third-party applications that you can install from your App Store on your iPhone in order to change the color of your text messages on your iPhone. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.